Hello everyone, today I'm going to attempt to teach you how to transfer a photograph into Google Classroom. This is helpful if you find it if you find it easier to write your responses on loose leaf, or if you don't have a laptop where you can't type your responses from Google Classroom. If that applies to you, then a lot of you will you'll receive the work from Google Classroom with the instructions and maybe a set of questions. If it's easier for you, you can take a sheet of loose leaf and write down each response to the question. Now, if you do that, that's great, but how do you get it to Google Classroom? That's the most important thing. That's what I'm trying to teach you today. So, um, let's take a scenario. Say you responded to questions that were given to you on Google Classroom, right? What you would do is you would take a photograph, all right? Take a photograph of your response, okay? And for instance, I don't know if you could see it. You probably not. But I just took a photograph of the class schedule, the virtual class schedule. All right, and I'm going to send it to myself in an email. Now, if you look at my screen, you'll see that the email is already here. You click on it, and there it is. Next step is to save it. Okay. Then open the document. Export it as a PDF to a file on your computer. I'm going to save it in this folder so I know where to retrieve it. I'm going to call it. Okay, so I'm saving the photo into this folder. All right. I actually saved it as a PDF. So now let me X out of here. Let me go to my classroom. So this is actually, hold on. This is what you guys would see as a student. All right. So you go to classwork, you find the activity. In this case, it was a performance task. You see that this was assigned, right? Now, how do you transfer this photograph that you've taken, right, of your document to Google Classroom? So the first thing you want to do is open the assignment. You go to add or create. You go to file, since you've saved it as a file. You search it, search for the file on your computer. You have to remember where you put it. And there it is. Upload. All right. Take a look at it. And there's the document. There's the photograph. And then you turn it in. It's as simple as that. It sounds simple, but if you have any questions, please give me an email. Right now, the document should be on my end for grading, and I'll give you guys a grade after I read it. All right, I hope this helped.